In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. We're going to take your default invoice and turn it into a polished, on-brand document your customers will recognize and trust. This walkthrough assumes you're signed into Xero and have permission to adjust settings for your organization. From your Xero dashboard, start by clicking your company name in the corner to open the main menu. This menu is your quick path to organization level preferences. Next, choose Settings. This is where Xero keeps controls for how your documents look and behave. Inside Settings, select Invoice Settings. Think of this area as the control center for your invoice themes. Themes determine the layout, branding, and information that appear on the invoices you send or export as PDFs. They help keep every invoice consistent without you needing to redesign it each time. Now, look for the theme you want to work with and open the Options menu. The Options menu is where you manage that theme. For our purpose today, we're heading straight to the editor so we can see exactly what your customers will see. Click Preview and Edit Invoice Theme. This opens the live editor with a real-time preview, making it easy to understand how each change affects the final document. Here's where you make the template your own. Add or update your logo so it's crisp and properly sized. Adjust fonts and accent colors to match your brand guidelines. Check your organization details, legal name, address, and tax or registration numbers, and make sure they are accurate and formatted the way you want them to appear to customers. Review the layout of your invoice lines. Choose the columns you want to display, like item, description, quantity, unit price, tax, and totals. If you use tracking categories or need a reference field or purchase order number visible, make sure they're enabled in the layout. In the footer or notes area, include clear payment instructions, bank details if you accept transfers, and any terms such as due dates, late fees, or thank you messages. If you invoice internationally, consider adding concise tax notes or currency information to avoid confusion. Also, confirm page size, margins, and alignment so your invoice prints neatly and looks good on screen. Use the preview to double-check spacing, line wrapping, and how longer descriptions look. Aim for readability, consistent fonts, clear headings, and enough white space to guide the eye. When you're happy, click Save Theme. Your customized template is now ready, and Xero will let you choose it when creating future invoices. That's it. Your invoices will look professional, on brand, and easier for customers to act on.